Largest operator of planes from Boeing by Zachary Devon and Marty. Boeing 707, largest operator Pan Am. The Boeing 717, the largest operator is Delta Airlines. Boeing 727, largest operator server cargo. The Boeing 737, the largest operator is Southwest Airlines. Boeing 747, largest operator Atlas Air. Boeing 757, the largest operator is Delta Airlines. Boeing 767, largest operator FedEx or Federal Express. Boeing 777, the largest operator is Emirates. Boeing 787, the largest operator is All Nippon Airways or ANA. That's all for today. See you next time. June 12, 2024.